This is a 2009 Chrysler Sebring. This car has an automatic transmission and a 2.7-liter V6. Its top features include a sunroof, a DVD player, alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a folding second row, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a security system, an anti-lock braking system, a passenger side airbag, heated side view mirrors, and this vehicle has less than 11,000 miles. This Chrysler has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Bill Hood Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 1500 North Morrison Boulevard in Hammond.